Hey guys, Kate and Germaine with Germaine Marine here. Today we're going to show you a couple of tricks to look into if your boat's not starting at the lake. First things first, we're going to make sure that the boat's staying hooked up to the trailer. That way it ensures the safety of you and others around you. So moving into inside the boat, one of the things we're going to check is your battery switch. If your boat's around 11.5 in voltage, it may be too low on voltage to start the boat. To fix this problem, we're going to go ahead and rotate it to the combine tab. This allows the cranking battery and the house battery to combine for maximum voltage going to the starter. If we moved our battery switch to the combine tab and it's still not working, another thing we can look at is the position of our shifter. The boat needs to be in neutral in order to start, so we want to just make sure that we hear a firm click indicating that it's in neutral. One of the last things that we can check is your kill switch. It's located directly below the throttle. This allows the boat to have no power going to any of the starting systems to shut off the boat. We're going to make sure that it's located in the run tab. Something else to check out also on the engine side of it is your 20 amp fuse. Moving the engine cowling out of the way is going to give us access to the fuse box located on the engine. Removing the fuse panel will show you the spare fuses that Inmar gives us and the 20 amp fuse. If we've gone through all these things and the boat still won't start, please contact your local Germaine Marine dealer for further assistance.